will dry out your skin, remove your makeup very efficiently. Hoping this would work as a time machine and take me back to the good times in 2019. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saili. I hope you all are doing really well. आज की वीडियो में मैं शेयर कर रही हूँ मैंने जो न्यू स्किन केयर एंड मेकअप प्रोडक्ट जो रिसेंटली ऑर्डर किए हैं. इनमें से काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट जो है वो इंटरनेट पे वायरल है, बट आई हैव ऑल्सो ट्राइड इट टू गिव यू अ स्मॉल रिव्यू टू लेट यू नो दैट इफ दे आर वर्थ द हाइप और नॉट. And also it is a collective haul. I have not bought all the product at once. स्किन केयर के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये जो क्लेंजिंग ऑयल है वो काफ़ी इंटरनेट पे पॉपुलर हुआ था और आई हैव सीन पीपल रिमूविंग देयर ब्लैक हेड्स एंड वाइट हेड्स विद दिस क्लेंजिंग ऑयल. और मैंने इसे काफ़ी ट्राई किया, but for me it did not remove any blackheads or whiteheads. It does remove your makeup very efficiently, but मैंने जैसे videos देखे हैं लोगों के, it does not work in that way for me. Other than that, it is a very light textured oil that helps you to remove your makeup. But it does have a fragrance. If you are allergic to fragrance and आपको अगर fragrance की वजह से headache होता है, so that this product might trigger that, because it does have a very strong fragrance and it is a unpleasant fragrance. It is also not very flowery or a pleasant fragrance, so it might give you a headache. For me it doesn't it doesn't affected me that much. I use it for removing the makeup, but will I repurchase it? I don't think so. I'll repurchase it. I'll just finish this one because there are lot more better options, makeup removing options other than this oil. अगला प्रोडक्ट है ये फेस वॉश बाय फॉक्सटेल और ये एक मेरा रीपर्चेज है. मैंने ऑलरेडी इसके काफ़ी सारे बॉटल्स मैं खाली कर चुकी हूँ और ये मुझे इसलिए पसंद है क्योंकि ये ऑयली स्किन अगर आपकी है तो आपको ये पसंद आएगा. अगर आपकी ड्राई स्किन है तो यू शुड नॉट यूज इट बिकॉज इट विल ड्राई आउट योर स्किन. वॉश इज वेरी थिक एज यू कैन सी. इट इज़ अ वेरी creamy and it has a very creamy texture. It also has lot of fragrance because it is a foxtail, but that fragrance has not made me break out or anything. Also ये product claim करता है कि सिर्फ ये face wash से आप आपका makeup भी remove कर सकते हो, but you don't have to take that risk. You should always double cleanse even if you are wearing SPF. So I'm just going to review it as a face wash. As a face wash, it works really great. It only the negative point is that it has lot of fragrance, but I wish Foxtail just removes all the fragrance from their product. Their products are really great, but the fragrance is too much to tolerate for all people. And next product is this sunscreen by Fay Beauty. So this product is their best seller and it is totally worth the hype. It dissolves quickly into your skin. It gives you protection. It also doesn't have any white cast. It does not have any fragrance. There is nothing not to like about this product. Moving on to makeup. So makeup is the category in which I have bought lot of product because I love trying new makeup products. So starting off with Fay only, I actually bought everything together. They were running some offer in which you were able to buy 3 products for 700 or something, and उसमें मैंने ये सारे products खरीदे हैं. So first I'm going to review this blush. First of all, it has such a cute packaging. It has this nail polish like packaging, and I have not tried lot of red blushes. I lean into more pink and coral blushes, but this one also looked really great. I am wearing it right now. So speaking about the formulation, काफ़ी light weighted formulation है इसका, and it also gets blend very easily, and the color payoff is also great. It does also has a serum like finish. It gives you a very satin kind of a glow. Overall, I really like this product. The product that I tried from Fay Beauty is the one that made them viral. This is their lip whip. This was all over my For You page on Instagram, and I was really waiting to just watch enough review to go ahead and buy this product. And I know I'm late to the party already, like this has been viral for a really long time and a lot of people have already tried it. I picked up this shade called Screw and I'm also wearing it right now. It is such a great pinkish kind of a shade. Best thing about this lipstick is that it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. So I watched thousands of reviews and lipstick swatches before buying one product, and I saw a lot of reviews, mixed reviews I would say. A lot of people were saying it is transferable, but for me it did not transfer at all. Now that it has completely dried up, it is completely transfer proof. I think it depends on the quantity of the lipstick you are applying or the time you are giving it to dry out, or maybe depending upon the different shades. For me it is transfer proof. So next product is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I know this is not at all a new launch. This is a very old kajal. I used to love it in early 2018 and 20. This was the only popular kajal. So मैंने इसके काफ़ी सारे ट्यूब्स जो है वो ख़त्म किए हैं और मैंने काफ़ी यूज़ किया है ये काजल. And I don't know why. I'm hoping this would work as a time machine and take me back to the good times in 2019. So next products I have bought are from Mars Cosmetics. First one is this lip liner. This is their Edge of Desire lip liner in brown mocha. Also, a lot of people have given a lot of positive reviews about it, and I am no different. I love this product and it is totally worth the money. It retails for some 67 rupees, and I think it is so much worth for the price. Next product is this concealer from Mars. This is their Cancel Concealer. I'm in the shade 05 Sandstone. I really like this concealer. मैंने काफ़ी रिव्यूज़ देखे हैं, सबने पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज़ ही दिए हैं इस प्रोडक्ट के, एंड इट इज़ लाइक वर्थ गिविंग पॉजिटिव रिव्यूज़ बिकॉज फॉर द प्राइस इट वर्क्स ग्रेट. मैंने काफ़ी वीडियोस देखे जहाँ पे इसको कंपेयर किया था लॉरियल इन्फ्लैमेबल कंसीलर के साथ, जो कि है ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 800 रुपीज़, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ फॉर 250 और समथिंग. But I have not tried that product, so I can't compare. Speaking about this one, it easily blends. I have no complaints about it. The only thing is, if you have a dry skin, it would work great for you because it has a very creamy kind of a consistency. But since I have a oily skin, I did feel a little bit of heavy on my skin, but it is workable for sure. Next new product I tried is this Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder. This is a great translucent powder. I just hope they wouldn't have put so much fragrance in this. It has lot of fragrance and it is not like the original powder that comes in that pink bottle. This is a different like very flowery kind of a fragrance. If you are not like sensitive toward fragrance, you would like this. It is a great like cheap product but also works. Next product I tried is this Stays 929 Gloss Lock lipstick. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी ये lipstick. It was also going viral. I have seen like so many people like using it and doing this swatch kind of a tutorial where they are showing that it is a non-transferable lipstick and it is transfer proof for sure. I like the matte part better than gloss for some reason. Also the shades are so pretty, all like nude and brown kind of shades they have. This is also like totally worth the hype. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video, and if you have watched till the end, drop this pink heart emoji. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.